here with the BenQ stylish monitor with eye care technology. This is the 27-inch version, and I can't wait to open this up. So let's get that out. So that's packaged up quite nicely with two sections of styrofoam. Here are the accessories, the monitor stand, that you click in. Here's the monitor base. So it's plasticky, but feels solid and a little bit heavier here because of the metal. So it's quite nice. Here's a HDMI cable you get with it, and then the power supply. And then underneath we have the monitor. So this is actually quite big. And let's get this out as well. Nicely packaged in soft material, and you have a large round back, and then the large monitor itself here. It's quite frameless here, so you don't have a frame here on the side, which is nice. Here's a power button and a few buttons, even a little joystick, a control stick here, which is nice, and the menu. So let's set this up. Let's set that down for a minute. Here's the base and then the monitor part. It's a nice sturdy metal frame here. We can easily click that in. Yep, I hear a click, so that is fastened. And then let's see, put the monitor on there, and then we of course have the power supply right here. So let's put the monitor on, and there should be, yep, so here's the space for the monitor. So let's attach that. You can just click that right in. Yeah, so I also heard a little click there, and now that's nice and secure. And I like the fact that here in the back, you also have a little space. You can take that off and hang this up somewhere with like this hanging system, a few of these hooks. So you can also attach this to like a stand or something. That's pretty nice. You don't see that with every monitor. Okay, so let's hook this one up. Okay, so I have my monitor hooked up right here. I have my trusty HDMI cable. Sorry, that's two HDMI ins and a pass-through, and also a headphones jack. So that's quite nice right there. So let's turn that on. Yeah, there comes BenQ. I haven't used a BenQ monitor in like ages, so I'm just eager to try this out, see how they perform. Oh, there is my monitor. Well, you can see how I record right now. This is OBS Studio, which is quite cool, but let's also look at some gaming footage. So I like the colors here. It's quite nice. Now, I don't think you're going to play the most high-end games on this because the refresh rate, it's not really meant for that as well. It's more of that eye care technology and meant for work. But you can see the nice colors and the fast pacing of this racing video. So I quite like it. With the multiple input ports, the ability to hook this up to like another stand, which is nice right there on the back. So it's nice. I really recommend.